Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button on to get updated with my upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Moisturize our face. I am using this West Coast moisturizing emulsion.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my June.
L'Oreal True Match Blur Cream.
And you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight. So pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, track is in.
Next to my brow, I'm going to use iMagic E03 Medium Brown.
Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City.
Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this palette. And we'll just use the deep brown here.
Down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP. A shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack up here, track is in. Pack up here in.
I'm going to use this concealer from NYX to cut my crease.
With me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
And using this palette, Morphe Jaclyn Hill, I'm going to use this orange here and put it on my cut crease.
City, run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty ain't throwing us a wink, or is she? Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if
Bella Cosmetics palette, and we'll use this gold shimmer on the center of my lid.
say you love the New York City.
I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Eyeliner. Gold glitter.
my chest and I'll let you sink in. The day those
Maglalagay na ako ng foundation. Gagamitin ko itong Sleek Light Proof Foundation. The shade Soft LP04. Under eye, I'm going to use this Instant Rewind Eraser.
Do a stick from Maybelline.
I don't want to live without you. 100 degrees and my heart starts to burn. I open my chest and I'll let you sink in. The devils within that turn me against myself.
For my blush on, I'm going to use Into It Sheer Shimmer Blush.
Ashes and a struggle. Take my last breath, please take my life tonight. Whoa, so baby you will follow.
For my highlighter, I'm going to use Revolution Mermaid Glow.
So baby you will follow. So baby you will follow.
My lipstick, I'm going to use Elana Mineral Cosmetics. For my setting spray, I'm going to use Nichido Matte Finish.
A few moments later.
I'll see you on my next video. Bye!